I'm Hannah. I'm the owner of Camelot Window Cleaning. We are a locally family-owned and operated company that has been servicing the greater Nashville area for over 10 years.
At Camelot Window Clean, our high-rise team is trained to service all types and sizes of buildings. If you manage a 5 or a 30-plus story building, we can efficiently and safely handle all of your glass cleaning needs. We are proud to have the highest safety standards and training in Tennessee. Our training program has been developed over 10-plus years of continued education using all SPRAT and OSHA standards. We will use your OSHA standard anchors when available or bring our own state-of-the-art equipment. Our ropes are always in good repair, and our team is trained to use them with knots that hold over 5,000 pounds. We are fully insured and will always send proof of insurance upon request before starting work on your building. We offer everything from one-time construction cleans, hard water removal, and regular service schedules to keep your building sparkling. Whatever the need, we have a cleaning package for you. So call us today. Our estimates are always free. Be sure to watch our other videos on our pricing and estimate process.